Today in this video, we will learn about the font family. So if you want to change the font family in your HTML text, so what you need to do, you just need to use the style attribute in any of your tag. So currently we have seen that in our previous video, we have used to change the color. So if you do not want to change the color and you just want to change the font family, so what you will do, you will use the font family and after a colon, you will use a font family name. So this is the way you can change your font family in HTML file. Now, for example, if you want to use the color and also the font family, so what you will do, you will keep this color styling as it is, and after that you will after semicolon you will add this font family. So now what it will be done, it will change the font family along with the color. So currently we can see that there is a blue color, and if I just change the font family, let me just save this document, and now I just refresh, so you can see that the font family is also changed. So this is the simple way you can change the font family in your text. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned with us for more videos.